Short answer questions in the COLE platform allow you to answer the question in a simple text form. Your answers may contain letters, numbers, and words, depending on what is expected in the response. You may also encounter the cloze question type. This type allows you to answer the question directly within a sentence by choosing a particular word or phrase from a drop-down menu. You have the regular COLE exam controls available to mark a question as unsure if you would like to return to it later. You can see how many points or marks a question is worth in the top right. Unless specified at the start of the exam, you can navigate through the questions freely and come back to any difficult questions later in the exam. You can also enter notes if you are asked to do so, or if you want to revisit a question. Remember to keep an eye on the timer.